Cold, cold world. Yeah. Let me take y'all back, man.
Hey everyone, it is October 1st, meaning countdown to Halloween, meaning this whole month is going to be some scary, not even just scary, just some dark vibes, including fall. Not just Halloween, it's going to be some fall vibes, some Halloween vibes, some grudge vibes, everything in between. Because you know how as soon as it hit December, you hear dun dun dun, jingle bells, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Anyways, you guys, this is going to be a little fun video. It's October 1st, so this will be my very first little fun Halloween look, and I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep on watching. Okay, so before we get started, I'm just going to talk you through one thing about how I'm about to do my brows. So, I will be achieving my brows with a green lipstick today. And the green lipstick is by J Matte Lipstick. It's from my local beauty supply. It's called Envious Desire. Ooh, $1.99. And I'm going to see if primer makes a difference. But the primer I'm going to be putting on my brows is NYX HD Studio Photogenic Base Primer. I'm just going to put a little bit, and then I'm just going to go from there. So yeah, I have my spoolie, I have my angled brush, and the lipstick. Let's carry on. Let's pause for a second. So I said I'm just gonna just go across my brow with the lipstick, and of course clean it up with some concealer like I would normally do my brows, because I feel like maybe that's a bit easier. But of course, trace it with the thing first, slightly. I don't even think that's gonna make a difference because you're still about to color over it. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so hold on. So, I darkened the eyebrows slightly, just a little bit, and with a green called it's from the Afrique by Juvias place, and this is green right here. I have put that eyeshadow right over top, and I think that looks so much better. It's not so bright, like out of contrast or something, and I like that way better. And I must say the eyebrows are snatched. Who even know with snatched green eyebrows? Like, when the face is complete, they might even be even snatcher. But let's continue. So, I was trying to show y'all the palette that I'm about to be getting these colors from. And why the whole freaking beautiful pink glitter, whatever the heck it is, just fall. Oh my god, and it's a mess. I'm so sick. Never used it. But I'm using the Zulu by Juvias for my look today. Oh my god, I gotta clean this up. So the mess is clean, but the eyeshadow is not fixed. How do you fix a broken eyeshadow? This is way off topic, but honey, I need to know because it just plopped right out. Anyways, back to the regular scheduled program. It's so hard trying to be precise with both eyes, and I try my best, but however, all I'm doing is just making my crease a little bit rounder and a little bit higher than normal. That's all you have to do. You know, fill it in. So we got the simple steps down packed. Next we are about to, you know what, y'all, I don't even know what you guys are about to do, or what me, let alone, because I'm making it up as I go. But I just had a vision. But you know, you had a vision and you just need to play it out. Yeah, you should have played it out first before recording it. Yeah, however, this is about to go for a turn. Might not look right, might look right. So you will be the first to see if it does. So anyways, we want to do a little bit something with a purple. I have this purple here, and the purple I'll be using is from the Zulu palette that I've used before on my channel. This purple right here. Ooh. See the color combo? That might look right. Anyways, so we're just gonna, oh no, I was out of focus. We're gonna go around the crease with that purple. And kind of like you're smoking it out, kind of make it into a transition shade. Pretty simple. So let's go ahead and do that. So since I do not have a green liner, I am going to use the eyeshadow that I used. It's just a regular green, and I'm going to wing it out. So you guys, we have the wing, and of course we are going to clean up everything if it is not as perfect, but who's perfect? Anyways, there's my little green wing. I'm going to do my face and show you guys the finishing touches you need to do and all that good stuff. Okay, so I'm just blending out this contour. I had the contour on harsh purposely. It's not harsh, but you know, it's obvious that I have, you know, a little bit of something going on. You feel me? Okay, far far as any glow, any under eye sham, there is. Gonna put a little bit green. There's some green at the bottom. If you get in your eye, you will not die, okay? The highlight that I will be using today is by Fenty, and it's the Cinnamon from the Trio Stick. I'm just gonna do a little bit. Ooh, the camera got off focus real fast. Gonna do a little bit. Alright, you ladies and gents. Now, it seems like it might be doing too much, but this is for a Halloween look. I will be doing a black and green lip. Of course, you know, a little ombre effect. Here's the black. And where the smithereens is the green. Now, I'm just going to be using a lip pencil, angled brush at the time being. And smudge that black. And line my lips with the black. It's turning out green because it's green on the brush. But I'm just going to fast forward this part. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the finished look. Keep the little Halloween music in the background. But however, this is it and this is done. Close up on it. What is it giving you? Is it giving you Joker? Is it giving you the nasty flavor Pop-Tart that they came up with years ago? They probably still have out. But is it giving you something? The wing, the highlight, the green snatched brows. That I would probably do again, you guys. Honestly. But and the lips. I like the little Halloween music that's in the background. Like, I feel spooky, you know? Like oh my god. Me being goofy. Me being goofy. Hold on. Words out, malfunction. Oh, God. Okay, there we go. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little, fun little, quick little Halloween tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to 300 subbies by the beginning of December. That is my goal. 300 subbies. Okay, this little music right here is not cutting it. But let's get to 300 subbies. I hope I can get there and achieve that. I just need you guys' help to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can also share with anybody. Anyway, ooh, I like this one better. It's so much spookier. Why so serious? But anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Dominique Denise, and I am